Hi, today we're going to talk about plane tickets. And if you are constantly generating plane tickets and you need a system to automate the PDF generation process, then this video is for you. As you can see, this is a simple plane ticket which I have created in a Google document. Along with this, I have this Notion database, which is a plane ticket database where I have entered all the details that we would typically have in a plane ticket. What we're going to do today is we're going to use the information from the database and we're going to create a PDF file one by one for every record of this database using this Google document as the template file and this Notion database as the source of information. How exactly will this work? First of all, we need to head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help you create the entire automation setup. Click on Get Started and simply choose the account which you need for the automation setup. Once you are inside this, you will be asked to click on continue. Click on this and make sure this checkbox is enabled, which is very much crucial for the entire PDF generation process. So enable this checkbox, click on continue. After this, you will need to add the database. So click on add Notion database, click on connect, and just simply copy this database title that you have over here. So let me copy the title and simply click on select pages that you see over here and then enter the title inside the search box. You will be able to see the database popping up. Click on this. Now the database has been added. If you see the plane ticket database is already showing, click on allow access. So this will give access to the database which can be used to generate the PDF file. So jump to the Notion database section and you will be able to see the database showing up over here. Okay. So you can see the plane ticket database appearing here. Click on this and then you can click on next to proceed further. Click on next. Next is we need to add the Google document for our use case. So click on add Google document and click on select Google document. So let us copy this document title from the top and then we can just enter the document inside this documents view. So just enter the document over here. Click on the search box and simply select the document and click on select. So now the document has also been added. Finally, it's time to map the fields from the database onto the document one by one, and then we can go ahead with the PDF generation process. So the one thing which we need to do is we need to start mapping the fields. For this, if you see, the first thing which we need is a name. So I'm going to search for the name value if I have. So you can see the passenger name is appearing over here. Click on this copy value. It will copy the title over here, the passenger name, and simply remove the part which you do not need and simply use Control V or Command V to paste it. Okay, so the passenger name has been pasted. Next is the date of birth. So let me search for the birth date if we have. If you do not have a particular column reference, simply add the column over here and you can use refresh, which will generate the new property. So let us leave aside this date of birth and let us get the passport number. So I'm going to quickly map the fields which I'm having. So passport ID is available over here. Click on this to copy and I will just remove this particular property and I can paste it. So Control V or Command V on your keyboard to paste it. Okay. Then we need the nationality. So let me search for nationality if we have. So we do have it. Click to copy. Simply remove the part which you do not have and paste it. Okay. So it's all about clicking to copy and then pasting the information over here. And these three typical fields have been mapped, which can be used to generate a PDF. Okay. So once we have mapped all the fields in our document, click on download PDF and you have different options available over here. I will go with all the rows as I want to generate a PDF file as per that. And while generating the PDF file, I want to generate the PDF file by the airline name that we see over here. Okay. You can obviously go with any column as per your choice, but I'll go with the airline name. So select the airline name column over here in the drop down and click on start. Now this will start generating the PDF file one by one for every row of the database. And then we can see the output once it is generated. So first file is already out, which is Sunrise Wings, as you can see over here. And we're waiting for the other two files to be created. So all the files have been created. Now let's go to the download folder to check. So we have Sunrise Wings, which is showing over here. And you can see it has mapped the name value, the passport number, the nationality as well. Okay. Since we didn't have a date of birth field, we left it out. So these three fields have been correctly mapped. Let's check the other ones. That is Oceanic Air. This is also correctly mapped for the three fields. And finally, we have Skyfly Airlines, which has also been mapped. So we just mapped three fields quickly, one by one, and everything has been precisely mapped using the information from the database that we had over here. This is how simple and easy it is to use PDF output to generate the PDFs. Simply add the database, add the document, map the fields using copy and paste, and the files will be generated. If you have any questions, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can use this chat window at the bottom to send me a message. I'll be happy to take up your queries on this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.